Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble your Casio PRO watch, replace the rechargeable battery and wristband, and give it a proper service, including cleaning and lubricating the O-ring. I also show you how to perform a hard reset in case you're facing any errors. To disassemble the watch, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and two small flathead ones. Depending on what you're doing, you might also need silicone grease, a new battery, and a wristband. The links to all this stuff in the description below. So first we need to remove the band. Use two flathead screwdrivers like this, otherwise the opposite screw will just spin and won't come loose. Once you've got that set, unscrew and remove the screws. As you can see, the band is still in place. If you look closely here, you'll notice a metal tube inside. Carefully push them out with a screwdriver or tweezers. And now you can remove the band. If you're just replacing it, simply attach the new one and put everything back in reverse order. As you can see, a lot of dirt can accumulate here, so it's a good idea to clean it from time to time. Next, let's remove the back cover. And this protective rubber pad. Now we need to release the battery holder latch that secures the battery in place. Use something like a needle to push the latch outward, and the lid spin up. Now we can remove the battery. Since it's a rechargeable battery, make sure to use the same type, the link in the description. Install the new battery with the correct orientation and close the cover. Make sure the latch is properly secured. Once the battery is in place, we need to perform a watch reset, as stated here. For this you'll need a thin wire or a paperclip. Locate the AC contact point on the PCB and short it to the metal shielding. This will perform a complete watch reset indicated by the display going off. Now let's clean this part of the case and the cover with rubbing alcohol. Looks perfect. Next, clean the O-ring. And then apply a very thin layer of silicone grease, like so. Place the O-ring back in its position. If the O-ring is damaged or looks worn out, you'll need to replace it, the link down below. Now let's put the cover back on and replace the screws. Before touching the band, make sure everything is nice and clean. And you can also clean the band itself. Finally, let's attach the band. I highly recommend applying a tiny amount of silicone spray to these parts and then slightly wiping it. This makes installing these parts easier and simplifies removal for the future servicing. Make sure to tighten the screws, and that's it.